guys, it's Alyssa with Outdoor Wicked Adventures, and I'm getting ready for my first snow goose hunt by watching snow goose hunting with Jeremy, and it's super exciting. I know I'm going to be really tired in the morning, so that's why I'm saying hi to you now, because we have to be to our spot at 6 a.m. and it's about an hour away, and we definitely don't want to be late, so yeah, it's gonna be an early morning. So we're gonna eat some Jimmy John's, watch snow goose hunting, pack up, and catch in the morning. Well, hey again. I told you I wouldn't be very awake this morning, and I'm not. But we are getting loaded up. Shotgun's in the car. Getting a little bit of camo on. I don't actually have much, but from what I understand, what I'll be wearing will be okay. But we're just finishing getting loaded up. It is 4:30, and we'll see you on the road. So nervous. Yeah, you have the harder part. Up to our field. We're getting loaded up. I'm getting more excited, more nervous, but it's because I've never done this before, so pretty stoked. We're walking up to the field, you guys. This looks amazing. I am like so excited and can't believe I'm actually here on my first snow goose hunt. So, oh my gosh, let's go see how the field looks. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Oh my gosh.
Let me show you where you guys are going real quick. Look first there.
Oh my gosh. This just looks amazing. Wow. You want to go see in the blind? It's amazing. How cool.
Get your stuff on this side, so.
Oh my gosh. So cool.
Unfortunately, temperatures have made frost all over the decoys and the pond froze back over. And George said it'd make for a tough morning with a bird seeing the reflection. So a lot of them just flew right over us and didn't get close enough to shoot. But we stuck it out for a little bit.
Hi. I can't believe we're doing this. I'm so excited. Oh, that's cool. an iceberg of geese. Like, there's so many. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's fascinating. What is happening? Do you see all these birds behind me? There's so many birds. It's insane. Oh my gosh, you guys. So we had to come check out the refuge where all of the snow geese go into hiding because they know you can't shoot them here, but gosh, there's so many birds everywhere. I think their last count was like 1.2 million. So we had to come check it out before we moved spots. We haven't had the best luck. Not a ton of birds flying over, so we're actually headed to a different field now. So we had to come check out all these guys, and gosh, there's so many. So yeah, now this has me jacked again to go reset up and hopefully lock into one. This is a new view.
Cut him! Cut him!
Yeah, I do.
Don't move. Get ready. Kill him.
Gosh, I only put one shell in when the time he threw a bird at me. That's all I had.
Cut him. Coming any closer.
Well, I tried. A shot. My gun didn't jam. That was good. That was a good one.
Cut him. Proud of that one. Yeah, he is. Good boy.
Good boy.
Pretty bird.
Oh, man.
You gotta check for a band, right?
Oh man, my adrenaline's
Way to wait till the last second.
my adrenaline's like so jacked right now. Holy shit. Holy moly, I mean. Oh my gosh. Okay.
The breast, and you're just gonna fillet the breast with the fillet knife.
That's really it?
That's all. That's it.
Are they as stinky as turkey?
No, they're more of a liver type.
Okay, I can handle that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do that when I get home. And then I'm gonna make goose turkey.
For a couple more days.
So, I was so excited last night that we didn't even make an outro. So here I am, cleaning the birds today. Minnow thinks that she's gonna help. She's been like waiting so patiently. And so now we're gonna pretend like we know what we're doing. We're gonna clean some birds. Just kidding. Our guide was awesome. I had several opportunities to shoot that I hesitated on a few of them that I shouldn't have. However, it's my first time hunting for them. So all in all, I had the most amazing experience, unlike any I've ever had. And now I know what to expect a little bit more. I highly recommend you guys, if you haven't hunted before, I highly recommend checking them out. Thompson Outfitters. See, you know, if there's anything left on the books. I really strongly recommend it. I was so grateful that they still had some openings left that I was able to get in. If, again, first time hunter, literally one of the best places. Go for it. It was so much fun. And now we're gonna harvest our birds. He showed us what we needed to have done, and yeah, I'm sure Minnow's gonna help me, but amazing experience. Yeah, I'm like thrilled beyond belief. So, all right, let's do this. No, I knew you were gonna help. I don't need your help because I gotta learn to do this on my own.